Hi, are you Anna?
Yes. Hi there. Are you Pete?
I am Pete.
Nice to meet you. Oh.
Listen. Hi.
Speak.
Listen.
I am Pete. Speak.
Speak and say your name. Listen.
Nice to meet you. Speak.
Let's try that again. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
I'm Pete. Anna, is that A-N-A?
No, A-N-N-A.
Listen.
I'm Anna. A-N-N-A.
Speak and say your name. Then spell your name.
Well, Anna with two N's. Welcome to 1400 Irving Street.
My new apartment.
Hey, Pete. Who's your friend?
She is Anna. She is new to DC.
Where are you from?
I am from a small town.
Now it's your turn. Listen.
Where are you from?
I am from a big city. Speak and say your city.
Welcome to DC.
Thank you.
I'm Jonathan. I'm in apartment B4.
I am in apartment C2. Marcia is my roommate.
I know Marcia. She is nice.
And I am in apartment D7.
Now it's your turn. Listen.
Welcome to DC.
Speak and say your city.
Listen.
Thank you.
Speak.
I have to go now.
Oh,
Remember to call Marcia at work. Tell her you're here.
right. Thanks, Pete. Nice to meet you.
You too. Bye.
Now it's your turn. Listen.
I have to go now.
Speak.
Listen.
Nice to meet you.
Speak.
I am in my new...
Excuse me.
Now you try it.
One more time. 555-8986. Please be Marcia.
Hello, this is Marcia.
Yes, Marcia. I want to cook dinner.
Excuse me? Anna, is that you?
Oh yes, I am here.
Good, you are there.
I want to find a supermarket.
Oh, okay. The supermarket is at 1500 Irving Street. It is near the apartment.
Great. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anna.
Are you there?
I am here.
Now you try it.
There is a big supermarket on our street. And Marcia says I am a good cook. Until next time, bye.